In this video, we are going to solve some more sums based upon the ratio. Now, this question says that divide 6720 in the ratio 5:3. So, the two parts of 6720 are 5 and 3. So, we will say let the two parts of 6720 be 5x and 3x, right? What does that mean? Does it mean that if we add 5x and 3x, we will get 6720? Yes. So, we got 5x plus 3x equal to 6720. So, when we'll get the value of x from this expression, we will get the two parts of 6720, right? So, here we'll get 8x equal to 6720. So, how much is my x? 6720 divided by 8. So, 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32 and then this 0. So, you got now x as 840. Now, what will be your two parts? One will be 5x and another will be 3x. So, 5 into 840 and another is 3 into 840. So, this is equal to rupees 4200 and this is equal to rupees 2520. Right? Okay. Let's go to another question. Here we have to divide 11620 among A, B and C in the ratio 35:28:20. That means the three parts of this money are 35, 28 and 20. So we will say let the three parts be what? 35x, 28x and 20x. Now, if we add all these up, that means 35x plus 28x plus 20x. What do we get? 11620. This much? 11620. So, if we add this 35, 5 and 8, 13. So, this will become 83x equal to 11620. So, your x will become 11620 divided by 83. So, this is equal to 140. So, you got the value of x as 140. Now, we will find these three parts. One is 35, which is 35x. What does that mean? 35 into 140. How much is that? 35 into 140. 4900. Another part is 28 into x, which is 140. How much is that? 3920. And the third part is 20 into 140. How much is that? 2800. So you have divided 11620 into these three parts. Right? Let's go to another question. Now, in this question, we have to divide 8300 among A, B and C in such a way that 4 times A's share, 5 times B's share and 7 times C's share may be equal. What does that mean? Does it mean that 4A is equal to 5B is equal to 7C? Right? Now, we can compare the first two, 4A equal to 5B. So, what will I get from here? A by B equal to 4 will go here, 5 by 4. So, I got A is to B as 5:4. Similarly, I will get 5B is equal to 7C. Does that mean B upon C is equal to 7 upon 5? Does that mean B is to C is equal to 7:5? right? Now I know the procedure. How to calculate A is to B is to C. So I will write it like this. How much is my A is to B? It is 5 is to 4. And how much is my B is to C? It is 7 is to 5. So how will I make them equal? I'll multiply this by 7 and this by 4. So what will I get? 35 is to 28. And here I will get 28 is to 20. So does that mean my ratio is now 35 is to 28 is to 20? So I have to divide 83 between these three parts. So does that mean 35x plus 28x plus 20 is equal to 8300? So this is 83x equals to 8300. So how much is my x? My x is this 83? Yeah. So x is 100. So what are my three parts now? My three parts are now 35x, that means 3500 is my first part. 28x, that means 2800 is my second part. And my third part is 2000, because 20 into 100 makes it 2000, right? Okay. Now the next sum. The next one is saying that a sum of money is divided between A and B in the ratio 6 is to 11. So what are the two parts? The two parts are now 6x and 11x, right? If B's share is 7315, right? Find A's share and the total amount of money. If the entire money is being divided between 6x and 11x, so how much will be my total money? My total money will be 11x, 6x plus 11x, that makes it 6 plus 11 is 17x. So 6x plus 11x is 17x. So 17x is my total money. Now he's saying that if B's share is 7315. So here if I get the value of x, I can multiply that by 17 in order to get the total amount of money. Now how will I get this x? He's saying that if B's share is rupees 7315, which is B among the two? 11x. So 11x is equal to 7315. Does that mean my x is equal to 7315 divided by 11? So how much is that? 11 6 11 6 and then 11 5. So I got x as 665. So while I'm getting this x, I can find the total money. Okay, so what is my total money? Total money is 17 into 665. So 17 into 665 is 11305. This is my total money. Now along with that, he also wants me to calculate the A's share. Now what is A's share? 6x. So 6 into x is 665. 665 is equal to 3990. So A is having 3990 share out of 11,305. Fine. Okay. Now, the next sum, in the next sum, we have to divide 782 among P, Q and R, and this time the ratio is given in the fraction. Remember, whenever your ratio is given in the fraction, what you should do is, you take the LCM of the denominators. What is the LCM of the denominators? It is 12, right? So how will you make it 12? 2, 6, so you have to multiply 6 here also. So you'll get 6 is 2. Now here 4 into 4. So 2 into 4 becomes 8 is 2 into 3 into 3. So this becomes 9, right? So P's share is now 6x, Q's share is 8x and R's share is 9x. Now does that mean 6x plus 8x plus 9x is equal to your total money, that is 782, right? Now 6 plus 8, 14 plus 9 is 23. 23x is equal to 782. So if you divide 782 by 23, you're going to get 34. So you got the value of x now, 34. So let's calculate the p's share now. How much is p's share? 6x. So 6 into 34, which is equal to 204. How much is q's share? Is 8 into 34. How much is 8 into 34? 272. And then r's share. How much is that? 9 into 34. So that is 306. So please write rupees in front of this. Right? Now, the next one. In the next sum, we have 5100. It is to be divided among A, B and C in such a way that A gets 2 by 3 of what B gets. Right? So A gets 2 by 3 of what B gets, and B gets 1 by 4 of what C gets, and B gets 1 by 4 of what C gets. Now we will shift this B down here. We will get A by B is equal to how much? 2 by 3. So does that mean A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3? Similarly here, B by C is equal to 1 by 4. So your B is to C is equal to 1 is to 4. Now, same method, A is to B and then B is to C. So what is my A is to B? 2 is to 3. And what is my B is to C? 1 is to 4. So I need to multiply this by 3. I'll get 2 is to 3 and then 3 is to 12. So now what is A, B and C now? 2 is to 3 is to 12. So we are saying that let the share of A be 2x, share of B be 3x and share of C be 12x. So 2x plus 3x plus 12x is equal to 5100. So 2x plus 3x is 5 plus 12 is 17. So we got 17x equal to 5100. So x is equal to 300. We got the value of x as 300. So what is now A's share? A's share is equal to 2 into 3, which is 600. And what is my B's share now? B's share is 3 into x, that is 900. And what is my C's share? 12 into 3, that is 3600. Right?